Hi, Year 7 and 8. Despite sending out a video last week explaining how to do everything on Microsoft Teams, I'm still getting questions about how things work, in particular, how you can upload documents that you have created on Word, on your own version of Word on your own computer, or how you can hand in pictures and things of your work that you have taken. So I'm going to do another video now showing really clearly how that works. I'm already on the assignment 4. This is the Year 7 one. If you're a Year 8 though, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and click on the assignment. Now, a reminder that if I want to edit this on my own Word document, I'm going to click on Edit Document and Edit in Desktop App. We're actually going to do that in a second. If you want to edit this on paper, that is fine. You need to click Print. It'll load your printing stuff. You can print it out from there and do it on paper. I'll go through how to take photos and stuff in a second. So let's talk about editing it in a desktop app first. So I'm going to click Edit in Desktop App. It's going to flash you up with this thing saying we're opening this in Microsoft Word. It might tell you to do it in browser. The reason it can't do it is because I haven't clicked Open Word here. So if I click that there, then it will open Word on my own computer in a second. Just thinking about it. I'm going to pause the video just while it's doing that. Okay, so you can see now that it has opened that document on my Word browser. Now, there are advantages to this, like I said. For example, it's not moved everything around. I can use text boxes and things. It's an awful lot better, to be fair, if you have got Word on your own computer. And I can go ahead and I can type some of the answers here. So I'm going to type a definition of the key term Gloriana. This means the glory of Queen Elizabeth I, who was a Tudor monarch. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've answered one of the questions. Now, obviously, I would go and finish this whole thing off. If I then wanted to upload it onto Microsoft Teams, well, I've got a couple of options. I'm going to go to click on, sorry, I'll show you what I did again there. I'm going to click on File, and then I'm going to click Save a Copy. Okay. Now I've got a couple of things I could do here. I can save this to my OneDrive, and I could save it as something like Mr. Jones Assignment 4. If you're doing it this way, it's best if you put your name. For example, Uprav was somebody who asked about this, how he does this. So Uprav would write Uprav Assignment 4 like that. And then, I'm going to click Save, and it's going to save to my Boulder Academy OneDrive, which you all have access to as well. You could also save this on your computer. I'm going to show you both, just so it's clear. You can go Save a Copy, and then you're going to either select this PC, or I think it's often easier to select Browse. And then I'm going to click on Documents, and I'm going to save it in there. Again, Uprav, you could write Uprav Assignment 4. I'm going to write Mr. Jones Assignment 4 and save it into my documents. Okay. Now, how do I upload it? Well, a couple of options. We'll get rid of that. You could, I can't show you in your history assignment, unfortunately. I'll have to show you on Mr. Bones in my test class. There are a couple of ways that you can upload a document. Once I've clicked on assignment, hopefully it's going to let me. It's been a while since I've had something in on here. I'm going to click on Add Work. So I'll show you that again. On your assignment 4 task, you're going to click on Add Work. And then the first thing it will do, if you've saved it to OneDrive, is actually going to load the OneDrive. Now, it can be quite difficult sometimes to find your tasks and things on here, but a little trick, look for the date modified. So I know that today's date is the 27th of April, the 4th of the 27th of the 4th. So if I circle down and try and find 27th of April, nothing there yet. Oh, in fact, it's saying today. So it probably say today. And I find, here we go. I don't know why I saved it as Mr., but there you go. That's it. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click attach. And then it's going to load that document. Really simple. If I didn't save it to my OneDrive and it's saved on my computer, I'm going to do the same thing, click the plus that says add work. But instead of looking at this part, which is my OneDrive, I'm going to look at, click on upload from this device. You'll see when I float over that text, it comes up in purple. That's because it's a button. If I click on that, it's going to load my documents. These are all the videos I created for you here. I'm going to go on my documents where I saved it before. There we go. I've already got this ordered by date modified. So it's going to come up with that right at the top. Mr. Jones, assignment 4. Oh, I'm using it, so I can't use it. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to click on Mr. Jones, assignment 4, and it's going to upload it. I'm going to hit done. And then when I've added all of the documents I want to, I'm just going to click on hand in. It says hand in late here because this assignment was already due. That's fine. Just hand it in either way. Okay? Simple. And it's going to show me, I'll know when I've handed it in because I'll get one of these cool little GIFs. Okay? So that's how you hand in work if you are using the desktop app, Word as a desktop app. If you have saved it or done it on paper, it's slightly different. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a smartphone, and you need to take a photo of your work. Then on your smartphone, the easiest way to do it is to email that picture to yourself. So I'm on iPhone, for example. If I click on one of my pictures, and here you go, hold on. Here's a picture that I took the other day when I was on a walk of Richmond Bridge with the lockup. If I click on that photograph and click on the share bit at the bottom, I can cycle along and I can go to my Gmail, or you might want to do it on WhatsApp or something. And I would just email it to myself. So I'm going to type in my school email, sjones, at boulderacademy.co.uk. That's that. And then if I go onto my school email, I'll see my photo here. There we go. Perfect. Now that's really easy for me now to either copy it, and I could copy it and I could paste it into this document here. Just thinking about it. I'm going to pause the video while it's doing that. Okay, as you can see, Year 7, it didn't like that. So I'm just going to leave that for a minute. There's actually an easier way to do it. Oh, here we go. It's done it now. So that one option is to copy it into my Word document. I'm then going to just save it. And again, you can either save it to the OneDrive at Boulder Academy, like I did before. I'm going to do that actually. Or you can browse and you can save it in my documents. There you go, like that. I'm going to do it in my OneDrive at Boulder Academy because that's easier. And I'm going to write Mr. Jones, photo of assignment. There we go. I'm going to save that. Or the other way I could do it, Year 7, is to right click on it, and you'll see there's actually an option to save as picture. And so again, I can save that as, there we go, we'll save it in pictures, and I'm going to save it as Mr. Jones photo of assignment. Okay, so either way works. And you're just going to upload it in exactly the same way as we did before. Okay, so I'm going to undo that hand in because I want to add something else. It's just going to take a moment to unlock it. I'm going to click on add work. If I wanted to upload that picture that I've just saved to my photos on my computer, well, I'd upload from this device, click on my pictures and then find it. But I've put it on my OneDrive, so I'm going to find it on here. Remember, use that trick of looking for stuff that was uploaded today. Where is it? Here's all my stuff from today. I'm going to click on Mr. Jones' assignment. Now, at the moment, it's still uploading, so it won't let me. But all I would do would be to click on that. In fact, we'll just try it again. See if it's managed to do it yet. No, not yet. So I'm not going to be able to show you year 7 because it's still uploading my document. That's fine. All you would do is click on it and click attach. And then once you're finished and your document will show up here, you would just go ahead and click hand in or hand in late. So that's how it works, year 7 and 8. You'll see it's really simple. All you need to do is upload each of your documents, either your photographs or the work you've done in your Word desktop app. Upload them using the plus and the add work button. You can do that from your school OneDrive, or you can do that from your own computer. And when you're finished, click hand in. That is it, and it will be done. Okay? Hope that helped.